Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I made this pumpkin-themed coffee mug for my tier tray. Now that Halloween is over, I needed something to transition before Christmas was starting. So I picked up a package of these color yourself wood mugs and a package of these pumpkins that are actually stickers. I need 2 Jenga blocks and 2 cotton balls. I also had some cardstock. Mine happened to be 2-sided, so I had a larger check and a smaller check. I didn't know which side I was going to use at the time. And then I laid it down on my cardstock, and I just traced around, but I traced around and cut it larger than the mug because I like to use the sandpaper method to have my clean edges. So here you can see it's a little bit larger, and I bent over the sides. I creased it just using my fingers, and with a nail file I just sanded off all my excess paper, and then I had a clean edge. Then I took a cotton ball and I unrolled it, and then I laid it on top of my coffee mug and with some glue. And when the glue was dry, I just trimmed all the way around, making sure that the little frosty tip on the top was well defined. And then I took another cotton ball, unrolled it, and made 2 strips just by rolling it between my fingers like Play-Doh. And then I glued that on top of the other cotton ball to make it look like, some dimension, so it looked like whipped cream. Then I placed my coffee mug between 2 Jenga blocks with some wood glue, and then I glued the pumpkins to the front, and I added a little bow out of twine, and my project was complete. Super simple, but it stands by itself and is a perfect addition for my tier tray. Quarantino and I hope you enjoyed our little project. If you did, please give our video a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.